Hello, welcome to another week of Island Survival. I'm so excited to see what you come up with for your projects this week. Today's focus is garden variety. So luckily for you, you have landed on an island that has a good variety, which means different kinds of vegetables. You can also think about fruits for this project as well. So you're going to come up with 6 fruits or vegetables that you have found on the island, and you're going to decide how you would like to organize a garden using those fruits or vegetables that you have found. So you may take some time to do some research to search fruits and vegetables and see which ones you think would be a great idea to grow on your island. And then you're going to go in your packet and get started with this project. So I'm going to do a little example for you. So if you have any questions, you can refer back to this video to get your questions answered. So I'm going to go ahead and list out a couple of fruits or vegetables that I found on my island and that I would like to grow in my garden. So I put potatoes, cucumbers, tomatoes, let's do some carrots, and you can pick 6 different ones. You may use the same ones that I used and then add 2 more, or you can use whatever fruits and vegetables you feel like. So my next task after I pick my 6 fruits or vegetables is to plant 10 plants of each vegetable. I need to make sure that I have a walkway in between my vegetables so that I can make sure I pull any weeds and I'm able to access my food when it's ready to harvest. I need to create a map key, and I also need to color code to match my map key. So I'm going to use for my map key colors. So when I start to color in my grid, I'm just going to use a different color for each of my different fruits or vegetables. I have my measurements labeled here. So my garden is going to be 30 feet wide by 30 feet long. And each little plot that I see here is 3 by 3 feet. So depending on which fruits and vegetables you choose, that will help you decide how close to plant your fruits and vegetables. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the carrots since I have orange. I'm going to have to use yellow. I looked up carrots earlier. I was researching my vegetables and I saw that carrots can be pretty closely planted together. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 of my carrots in each box. So inside 3 feet, planting 2 carrots together is not a big deal. They will grow just fine. So since I used yellow, I'm going to go ahead and go make a yellow box around my carrots. Next, I'm going to work on tomatoes. I'm growing tomatoes in my garden right now. I know some of you are too. So if you've ever grown tomatoes, you know that they take up a lot of space. So for my tomatoes, I'm going to plant them in a little zigzag pattern so that they have lots of room to grow. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So those fit nicely in there. I have room to walk here, and then I have room for my tomatoes to grow. So since I still have this space up here, I might decide to, for my cucumbers, kind of space them out along here. Cucumbers actually can be grown up sticks, so I might even put my cucumbers, maybe 1 cucumber in a couple of my carrot boxes. So you may have more than 1 plant in a box. It is completely up to you, but just look up how big those plants get so you make sure that you don't overcrowd your plants and they get enough sunshine to grow. And then I need to make sure I keep focused on my color key. So I used red for tomatoes. I'm going to go draw a red box around my tomatoes and then continue on with cucumbers. And that's all there is to it. So have fun designing your garden. When you are done, please send me a picture so I can give you credit for this assignment. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.